Welcome again. This is Brother G coming to you again with another video message, another video teaching. Birdman doctrine. Who and what are angels? We have inherited these beliefs. Some of them, I understand that they're to be good. But it seems to me like the fairy tales are hitting us incredibly hard for years or even decades or even centuries. Again, the fairy tales are hitting us hard. Angels. What are angels? What they meant when the Bible, in its collective sense, was translated from either Greek, either Latin, or Hebrew, or any one of those sophisticated old world language. What did they meant when they refer to angels, or it was translated from a different word? They call it Greek Angelus or something like that. What did they meant? What did they have in their mind and heart when they thought of an angel, a birdman, like in the comics, like in the DC comics? I think it's the DC comics. What did they imagine? Where did they get this thought from? This idea, this conception of a birdman, angels, men with wings. Was it their imagination? And in my understanding of imagination is that they experience something. They, as the comedians would say, you drink sour milk and woke up, or you drink sour milk, went to bed, slept, had a dream of something that you experienced while you were awake and living. And when you dreamt it, you thought that an angel came to you in the night. So you believe then that men are in the spirit world, men are like birds. All right, in better